Bowerbirds are a family of birds from Australia and New Guinea known for their elaborate courtship rituals in which males build and decorate burrows to attract females. These structures are not nests but are used to display their fitness through artful arrangements of collected objects like flowers, berries, and tiny twinkles. The male performs an intricate dance to impress the female, who choose to mate based on the quality of the bird and his performance. Females are decision makers in the mating system and choose a mate based on the quality of his birds and his performance. After the boar is complete, the male perform an elaborate dance and display to attract the female. The female observes